All right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is where you are. This is Rick Reed here. I'm back. This is my friend right here. This is Mickey, okay? And right here is Terrence, okay? These are the money mounts. These are the money mounts. This particular flyer is going to help put 5 books of stamps in 1,000, 1,500 or $2,000 cash money in your mailbox. Imagine getting 1,000 to 15,000 weekly from home in 7 to 10 days mailing this Money Mouse flyer, people. Okay? No guarantees that you will make a certain amount of money. All I know is that it works. You must do what I call mush. Mail until something happens. All right, this is direct mail business, and this is work. This is how the Money Mickey works. Okay, when you join, your name and address is going to go into box number 1. I'm going to show you that in a second. All right, when you send that out and the person joins, your name is going to go to box number 2, and their name is going to go into box number 1. All right, their flyer. Okay, and you just keep mailing. If you're tired of being broke, this is your opportunity to do something about it. Okay, again, just imagine getting that cash money of $1,000, 1,500, 2,000 in your mailbox. Okay, you're going to be sending this particular flyer. You're going to just be sending it to Champion Discount. Here's the address here, and here's the phone number. 346-704-1754. Again, 346-704-1754. Okay, or you can go to www.cashcowprogram.com. That's cashcowprogram.com, and you just look for the Money Mouse flyer. You can click on it and just print it out and follow the instructions on that flyer. We just moved, so the address have changed. Okay, the address is Champion Discount, 13319 Lake Chesney Road, Suite C2. Okay, that's going to be in Houston, Texas, 77044. Again, and the number is 346-704-1754. Don't forget to send the stamp. So again, first mover's advantage. Let me explain that to you. That means that you're the first person on here, right? Now, when someone gets started with you, you're going to move to box number 2. They're going to be in box number 1. Now, here's the amazing thing about box number 2 right here. You get a residual income of 1,000, 1,500, or 2,000 because your name is going to be on this person's flyer right here. And then when they get started, the names just shift down. You move to number 3 on this person's flyer. All right. So now you're in 1, 2, 3, 4 positions to make 1,000, 1,500, or $2,000, and you're receiving 5 books of stamps. Now, also, what's going to happen is what I'm going to send to the people on your behalf is 500, 700, or 900 hot buyer leads on Pillar Stick Label. These are people that have been proven, that have purchased things from direct mail, okay? In my hot new 2002 Mailbox Cash Money Marketing Kit. You'll be getting that. This is going to help put your business on steroids, okay? You're going to get copies of your flyer, this flyer right here, okay? You're going to get all the support you need from me. All you got to do is give me a call, number 346-704-1754, okay? 346-704-1754. All right. Now, I know you're going to be excited, but what I want you to do is leave me a detailed message. State your name and the purpose of your call. Speak clearly and slowly so I can return your call. Okay. Now, also, what you're going to get is $1,000 in grocery coupons of your choice. People, have you seen? I went to Walmart the other day, and one orange was $1.25 for one orange, people. Okay, a gallon of milks are $5. You already see what's happening with gas. Okay, so having these grocery coupons is going to be a big plus for you. You get to select $1,000 of groceries coupons for items you know that you use. How could you lose that way? My story went to Walmart. Grocery bill came up to well over $100 and something dollars. By the time I was done paying for my groceries, it was so cheap to where, I mean, I just saved so much money, people. One thing I could tell you is I saved so much money to where I was able to still go get a pedicure and a manicure that same day. All right. So that's saving some money. Also, what I'm going to give you is $1,000 in your fast food restaurant coupons. Places like Denny's, Wendy's, Popeye's Chicken, Olive Garden, Red Lobsters, you know, and so many more. All right, Ponderosas Steakhouse, that's so a big list of that. Also, a 3-day, 2-night trip, based depends on where you get started, or a 8-day, 7-night trip. All right, this is pretty simple and self-explanatory right here. Okay, now when you get started, you're gonna send this FedEx. Okay, you're gonna select box 1, box 2, or this box right here. All right. Now, if you select 1,000, what you're gonna get is this flyer, but just with 1,000 on it. Okay. If you do the 1,500, you're gonna get the flyer with 1,000 and the 1,500 on it. If you do the 2,000, you're gonna get this whole flyer. This whole flyer. And then I got the special till the end of September 2022, the end of this month. If you get this flyer at the 2,000 level, you get to pick any 2 of the other flyers we have at cashcowprogram.com. If you get the $2,000 level, you can go to cashcowprogram.com and pick out any other 2 flyers that will go along with this. You simply write it down here. Special, all right? Print your name, your address, your city, state, zip code, phone number. I need an email address because these flyers will be emailed to you. I will not be sending them in the mail. Only thing you will receive in the mail is your mailbox cash money marketing kit and your leads. This will be sent to you when payment is received. It will be emailed to you. All you got to do is download them or send them to the print shop. I have places where, look, I get 5,000 stamps for $400. All that's going to be in the marketing kit. Okay, online where I can place ads for free. Okay, where you can place ads for free. All you got to do is copy and paste the ads that I've written. Just put your phone number and your address there. Hey, look, also right here, if you want your phone number or your email address on here, just let me know. Now, this is how I keep everything legal or fair, and put it like this. The mail runs at different times, so you may receive funds before we do here at Champion. If we do, call us and let them know. I just got a mail. I just got a package from Derek Coleman. Okay, he got started at the 1,500 level. So we can look out for that package. If we get something, we're going to call you. And we're going to say, hey, look, Derek Coleman just got started at the 1,500 level. Have you got paid yet? If you say no, we will put Derek's information together. His flyer will go together, but we will not mail it to him until we hear from you. So it's very important for you to call. Let us know that you receive payment anytime you receive one. Okay? You should be getting cash and stamps. Cash and 5 books of stamps. I added the stamps to this program, so that's another 100 stamps that you do not have to purchase. You follow me? So now you're getting cash, you're getting stamps. If 10 people get started, people, can you imagine? That's 1,000 stamps. 1,000 stamps for you to resend this to. This is a big ticket item. Okay? Well, anyway, hope you have a great day, night, evening, whatever time it is where you are. Remember, your thoughts determine what you want, but your actions determine what you get. I look forward to hearing from you. Okay? Remember, you must have the confidence, and God having confidence in you. It's time for you to step out that box. Okay? Mickey is waiting for you. He's waiting for you to get your cheese. This money is your cheese. It's your season. It's your time. Have a great day. Remember, 346-704-1752 or go to www.cashcowprogram.com. That's www.cashcowprogram. Have a great day, evening, night, wherever time it is where you are.